Guys, stop leaving money on the table. This Shopify trick is like having a 24/7 salesperson, and the great thing is, it's dirt cheap. And that's probably why your competitors are hoping that you skip this video. So if you're tired of low sales and missed opportunities, I've got a simple hack that's about to change your game. It's called Frequently Bought Together, and it's your ticket to increasing average order value and overall sales. So if you've been struggling to maximize the revenue from your existing traffic, this video is definitely for you. And before we get into that, here's a mind blower. Amazon attributes up to 35% of its revenue to its recommendation engine. That's the power of Frequently Bought Together in action. So let's break down why Frequently Bought Together is your new secret weapon. So the first thing is it taps into your customers' behavior data. It creates personalized product recommendations. It enhances the shopping experience, and the best part, it's super easy to implement on Shopify. So guys, I've done quite a bit of research on this, and the best tool I can find is one by a company called Code Black Belt. Now, don't get me wrong, there are several other Shopify apps out there that you can use, but this is the one that I've researched and the one that I feel is probably the best for you. It's got a 4.9 out of 5 rating with over 2,400 reviews. It uses AI-driven recommendations, and it also lets you customize bundles and discounts. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with many Shopify themes, and I'm sure it's going to integrate with yours. Now, guys, if you want more game-changing strategies like this, join the Ecom network on school.com. It's free, and you'll connect with fellow entrepreneurs for personalized advice. Trust me, if you join, it'll be a game changer. So guys, the only thing you would need to do is install the app on your Shopify store, which is really easy to use. So you go to the Shopify app store, type in Frequently Bought Together, and obviously you'll come across a lot of apps that you can choose from, but this is the one that I would actually recommend because the actual rating of 4.9 with that many good reviews is absolutely astounding. So yeah, this is it. All you need to do is just click on install, and then you can start customizing the app for your store. Now, I've got 2 quick tips for your success. The first one is you should really choose your products wisely, all right? Take your time and do this. And then secondly, always test the different combinations for success. So you can A/B split test them to see which one works the best. And you might be wondering, won't this annoy my customers? The good thing is, no, it won't. If you've got an established Shopify store, bring this in slowly and just try on a few products and test it out first just to see how effective it is. And while doing that, make sure you keep an eye on the feedback. It's all about giving your shoppers the very best experience on your store. So why should you trust me? Well, my name's Des from the Ecom Corner, and I've helped a lot of businesses boost their sales and actually increase conversions. I specialize in AI e-commerce optimization, and I've helped a ton of shop owners just like you. So if you want to get serious and you want even more revenue boosting tips, check out my next video, 100 e-commerce hacks to 10x your store's growth. It's packed with strategies that'll take your store to the next level. And I will warn you, it's packed full of 100 different strategies and tips to grow and boost your conversions. So I do warn you on that. So grab a tea, coffee, grab a notebook, and have a look at the video. And once you have watched the video, please leave a comment below and tell me what your best strategy was and which one you're going to use.